This app is called Edmodo. It is a free app for teachers, students, and parents. This is the teacher view here. As you can see, I can manage all my classes over on this side. For example, I have IT 443. Edmodo then creates a code for students. As you can see over here, this is the code that I can send to people to invite them so that they can see everything on this website. Here I can post comments. For example, I posted, "Hello class, I'm excited to start the semester. See you all on Monday." I can also create assignments here and post assignments. So I could do ebook and do a due date. So let's do Friday at 11:45 p.m. Then I can lock this assignment so it closes after the due date. Then here I can put the description and then send it out to the students. When I send out the assignments, it will notify the students as well. Here I can create a quiz. I can choose what kind of question I want and add my own questions and answers, and then create a time limit. In addition to assignments and quizzes, I can do a poll. So if I need to ask students a question and take a vote, they can do it right on this website as well. Here are my folders, so I can create folders for resources or assignments and descriptions. This is where I can view all the members of my classes. So right now I have Abigail as a student, but I could also have parents and other teachers as well as my whole class. If I click the What's Due tab up here, it creates a summary of all the assignments and when they are due so that people have the assignments all in one place. I can also track students' progress under the Progress tab. Right now there's no data right now because I don't have any assignments in. There's also a library where I can post resources for students. And this is where I can start conversations with students or teachers or parents.